Hello my dear viewers, in today's video I'm gonna give you very first symptoms of thyroid problems. If you watch carefully this show, I'm gonna give you a lot of information about thyroid functions, and of course if you watch to the end of the show, I'm gonna give you a very special recipe and another natural remedies that can help you with your thyroid problem in very natural way. Because the thyroid gland serves as body thermostat, continuously regulating things like temperature, hunger levels, and energy expenditure, symptoms of thyroid problems can affect nearly the whole body. Experts estimate there are roughly tens of millions people all around the world suffer from some type of thyroid disorder, mostly hypothyroidism, underactive thyroid, and to a lesser extent hyperthyroidism. What is your thyroid? Thyroid is a small butterfly-shaped gland located in your throat, just behind your Adam's apple. The thyroid gland controls many aspects of metabolism, including regulating the product of various hormones that enables the body carry out vital functions, such as digestion and reproduction, for example. For everyone that not already know, our thyroid gland is located right here, but the main function and control of our thyroid gland comes from something called pituitary gland in our brain. Thyroid stimulating hormone is produced by pituitary gland in order to regulate production of hormones released by thyroid. Sometimes the thyroid glands are pumping out either too much or too little of certain hormones. Either scenario is problematic for things like body weight regulation and mood stabilization. Two of the most important thyroid hormones are T3, thyroidethrone, and T4, thyroxine. Those two hormones are released, travel through the body via bloodstream, converting oxygen and calories into energy. This energy is crucial for our cognitive function, mood regulation, digestive processes, and healthy sex drive, and much more. And when you think about it, what are the most common problems with your thyroid? There are a couple of them, but in most cases is hypothyroidism. Thyroid disorders and thyroid disease can have a negative impact on just every area of your life, from weight loss to depression and or anxiety. The thyroid gland is vital to keeping your physical, mental, and emotional life in balance. What are the type of thyroid problems a person can experience? There are two main categories of thyroid problems: hypothyroidism, an underactive thyroid, and hyperthyroidism, an overactive thyroid. While there are the thyroid issues as well, the majority of cases fall in one of those two categories. And when we think about it, underactive thyroid is probably the most common problem all around the world, especially in the women. And when you have some kind of problems, there are typical symptoms that are connected just for this type of problem, like underachieving or underactive thyroid, or the hyperthyroidism. Hypothyroidism is by far most common type of thyroid problem. Most people with hypothyroidism are women, especially those who are of reproductive age of middle-aged. Most women are diagnosed between ages of 30 to 50 years. In the case of hypothyroidism, your body literally slows down. This is why symptoms like weight gain, brain fog, and sluggishness are common. Those occur due to the thyroid not producing enough the thyroid hormones T3 or T4. It can also cause elevated thyroid stimulating hormone levels, and that is the most common problem for if you have thyroid problems, and the major symptoms that goes along with these diseases. Another big issue, of course, is our active thyroid. Hyperthyroidism causes the opposite effect of hypothyroidism. It almost speeds up one metabolism to the point that heart may beat faster, and the person may have a hard time eating properly or keeping enough weight on. Hyperthyroidism occurs when the body has too much of needed thyroid hormones. And these specific problems is probably like maybe in 10% of thyroid problems. Hypothyroidism is maybe in 90% or 85% all problem with thyroid that we know right now. Also, there's another problem that is called enlarged thyroid or goiter. Another condition is enlarged thyroid, as it's called goiter, that develops in the neck, which is usually caused by lack of iodine in someone's diet. Iodine is needed to support thyroid functions. In the countries where iodized salt is common, goiters are rare, however, can develop when someone doesn't eat balanced diet for an extended period of time. There's different types of goiters that can develop, including lithium-induced goiter, non-toxic goiter, and toxic non-goitular goiter. This is also one of the problem, but luckily goiter is in very few people or very small percentages of thyroid disorder. When we think about it, what are the specific symptoms that you have thyroid problem? The most common symptoms of hypothyroidism are persistent fatigue, aka adrenal fatigue, lethargy, and sometimes depression or low motivation to exercise, moodiness, and sometimes anxiety, intolerance to cold, and frequently feeling chilly, dry skin, and hair skin. Might feel cool to the touch of the toes, fingers might look blue, purple, color in some cases, brain fog, trouble concentrating and forgetfulness, a hoarse voice, unexpected weight gain, constipation, bloating, and other digestive issues, muscle weakness, sometimes aches of pain, and any other discomfort. Those are the symptoms that is most common in very large percentage of people that have hypothyroidism. If you recognize yourself in any of those symptoms, of course you need to go to your doctor and find out if it is your thyroid problem, or maybe it's not, or it's maybe in some other cases under disease that is a problem right now with you. But those are the symptoms that is common in very large people that have hypothyroidism. What are the symptoms of overactive thyroid? Symptoms of hyperthyroidism commonly include nervousness of symptoms of anxiety, insomnia, and sleep troubles, raising heart rate, eyes that appear large and sometimes bulge, unexplained weight loss, high amounts of perspiration, muscle weakness, multiple bowel movements, thin, brittle hair. What are also signs of those problems? When the gland becomes dysfunctional, symptoms might include dry skin, fatigue, and lack of focus, feeling cold, constipation, weight gain, puffy, swollen looking face. Also low libido, irregular menstrual cycle, infertility, chronic insomnia, and increased sweating. Those are the familiar symptoms if you have overactive thyroid. But in most cases, as I said before, you probably have hypothyroidism. As always, you must find a natural way that can help you a lot and avoid all those chemicals that are on long run can almost certainly can harm you. And if you want to learn a lot more, what are the main also natural remedies that can help you a lot with your thyroid problem, click on my video right here and find out what are the best natural remedies that can help you with your thyroid problems. Thank you for following me. See you next time. Bye bye.